Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, notification bell. Do not fall for spam in the comment section. I do not DM, talk about anything. I do not manage anyone's money. I just give you guys free information as it pertains to stocks and crypto. Let's go right into it. All right. Remember, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell, but we need to really talk about what's going on in this crazy market. If you've been living under a rock, you don't know that crypto has been crumbling. Let me just briefly go over. You got FTX, that was the big boy in the crypto space, and then you got Binance. These are two of the biggies. And FTX was buying up everybody, and they were posing like they were sovereign, meaning they had enough money to cover everything, right? FTX comes out, says, hey, things are not as good as they look. And then, Binance says, hey, we're going to buy your company. We got an attempt to buy your company. All right. I'm just paraphrasing it. And now today, the news comes out that Binance is not buying FTX. And they also add that it is worse than it looks, unfortunately. Okay. And so FTX is crumbling. That is insane. And the entire crypto market is supposed to be decentralized, right? And now, as we could see, let's look at this bubble. While I drink some water. Just a sea of red. Look, Doge down 42%. Look at here. It's just crazy. Ape down. FTT 90%. It's crazy. Look at this. Ethereum 27%. Sand down. Link down. Everything is down. Bad. Excuse me. I had to drink some water. And it's a bloodbath in the crypto market. I'm going to just keep talking, and I'm also going to caution you that tomorrow could actually even get worse with the CPI numbers, Consumer Price Index. Unfortunately, that's coming out tomorrow, and if the CPI comes out and proves that inflation has not cooled off, things could get even worse, right? So I'm going to kind of bounce from crypto to stock. Now, let's talk about stock market for a minute. It was red today. It was sinking today, right? And because of the midterms, right? There was supposed to be a sea of red, the red takeover, and that didn't happen, meaning Democratic states turning into Republican states. That didn't happen. They thought that the Republicans were going to take over the House. And as we could see right now, that didn't happen yet, though it's still tracking that it may. All right. Now, this is as of 4 p.m. Eastern time, which was a few hours ago. But the chance of winning the House by the Republicans is still strong. OK, now, what the market does not like is uncertainty. So when we have these prolonged elections, meaning where they have to continue to count the ballots, the market always turns red during that. And it doesn't matter who wins. Once the announcement comes, the market does better because the market does not like uncertainty, like I was telling you guys on yesterday. All right. And so these are some of the things we want to look at. Unfortunately, when those CPI numbers come out, prepare yourselves. I got to tell you the truth is that could be even worse for the crypto market. And I give you the truth here, whether we like it or not, because we can make decisions that could actually make us money or save us money. Let me also show you guys this. This is Tesla at 177. All right. 177 today on Tesla. Actually, yeah, Tesla is just about at its lows right now, today's range. And so here we are. I was saying I'll be able to get Tesla at 185, next year when the hard recession hits, and it hasn't hit yet. And here we are already. This is just to let you guys know everything that I've been trying to get you guys that are new to the stock market to comprehend. All right. And I just want to say this. I've been saying to young folk that really you need to be 75% in the stock market, 25% crypto. All right. Leave me a comment if you remember me saying this, because I'm bullish on crypto. I believe they're going to regulate it. And now is proof that it needs to be regulated. So here we have something that's supposed to be decentralized. Now we're seeing that here's what happens because it is unregulated, right? And here's some conspiracy theory coming for you. In any other case, the SEC would be all over it, but it's kind of like let it crumble because, it's a threat against the, fiat currency, if you really want to be straight with it. But the jury's out on that. But I believe in cryptocurrency longer term. Now, some people think this is by design. It definitely could be. Sam Bankman, who is the CEO of FTX, is in the pockets of politicians, and that does not fare well. You guys, I told you that, guys, yesterday. I did not like that, all right? Look at the amount of money that he has contributed to campaigns, okay? And so the cookie is crumbling with crypto. And like I said on yesterday, yeah, there's some deals. I'm not dip buying. I'm not running and chasing after anything. Patience has paid off for me. So like I said in my previous video, if you're all into crypto, I think that is a bad idea right now for those of you that are younger and think the stock market is a scam. And you may say, hey, stock market is coming down too. Yes, but stocks, the price that you pay for a stock is tied to a company. Now, I am still going to be DCAing. I'm not stopping my DCAing because it's coming down this low. It can continue to come down. I'm going to continue to DCA into crypto. But I don't have 50, 100% of my money into crypto, right? Nothing close to that. I'm under 20% into crypto because of my age. I'm not 15, okay? This is the time to use patience, good people, and you don't want to be listening to unskilled people at this time, all right? Listen, somebody just won the $2 billion lottery, and I want you to get this. $2 billion lottery. So I want you to understand that $2 billion did not just come out of the ether. It is all of you going to buy these lottery tickets. So where did that money come from? It was shifted. With this liquidity, just bleeding all of this liquidity out of crypto, you have to ask yourself, where's the money being shifted to? That's why we are investing in both stocks, and mostly stocks, and crypto, because we have to position ourselves to get some of this money. Listen, I'm going to say something. It's a tough pill to swallow. I did not learn my lessons from my wins in investing. I learned my lessons from my losses. And so there's a lot of lessons to be learned. Some of them we don't see right now, but we're going to see them later. So the lesson is don't FOMO. The lesson is to be patient. Yeah, it still hurts. I'm red in crypto just like you guys are red in crypto. I'm losing money in crypto. But in the stock market, I'm losing, but not as much, because you guys know last November I said, hey, let's cash up. And so I've been mostly safe, though I'm bleeding with stocks just like you guys are. But I'm 80% cash, and that's why I've been saying cash up. Now, you guys know I've been talking about links. Forget about the links for a minute. I want you to, whatever trading platform that you have, to remember times and days like this. Now, CPI numbers could come out good. Stock market could rebound. They can figure this crypto thing out, though I think crypto this week is just going to be a continued bloodbath in crypto. But one day in the near future, this is not going to be that bad with crypto. I believe they're going to regulate it and it's going to rebound. But the truth be told, all of these insolvent companies need to be shaken out, and it needs to be done right now. I'm going to continue to say that with everything that's going on, this midterm election behind us, it's not really behind us until they finish tallying up who won. All right. Let's see what happens. I still believe we can have a Christmas rally. I still believe we're going to have a Christmas rally in this year decently. That's just my thought. It's not facts. But then what will happen is we will get food, just like, a lot of things was showing, a lot of charters out there. I've been listening to a lot of crypto guys, and they've been saying, hey, we may have seen the bottom of crypto. Well, that shows not to be true. And then a lot of people start dumping big money in, which I'm totally against. Because like I've been saying for months now, we're in an accumulation stage. It simply means be patient and accumulate. And I believe we got a good 9 months to accumulate crypto. So I'm not going to be in a hurry, not even at these prices. I'm just going to continue to DCA, all right, during the accumulation stage. And the same thing with stocks, all right, good people? So if you're all into crypto, this is not a I told you so. This is I'm begging you to diversify and get ready. Right now, you should just be cashing up. Listen, Tesla at 177 and dropping. Okay. And yeah, Tesla's tied to crypto, truth be told, because of Elon Musk, right? And who else is Elon Musk called? He's called the Dogecoin, the Doge father, right? And now look at this, down 42%. And it's not just because of Doge. Everything is down, but Doge is down greatly. Okay. And so listen, put your money in safe assets. All right. Now, nobody saw this coming with crypto. I'm into crypto too. Nobody saw this coming, but crypto is not 100% of my portfolio. I beg you to diversify. I beg you to get ready for the upcoming sale of the stock market. Crypto is already on sale. The stock market has a track record. The New York Stock Exchange was established in 1792. I will deal with a track record like that, and it has recovered 100% of the time. So that's where I'm going to put 80% of my hard-earned money. And then with crypto, while it's still figuring things out, I'm going to max out at 20, right? That's where I'm going to max out at. Right now, I'm 10, but I'm just saying I would not go more aggressive than that. And this is not a thing of get rich quick. This is a thing of temperament. You just need temperament, time, and money to build wealth. Please do not try to get rich in a bear market. Concentrate on building wealth. And when the hard recession does come, I'm going to continue to buy my way through it. That's what I'm going to do. All right. Hopefully something I said helped you guys. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to continue to be real with you guys and let you know what's going on. Listen, in your broker account, whatever broker you have, make sure that you could buy fractional shares. I don't care if you look at any of my links below. I want you to be ready for the great wealth transfer that's actually going on right now, and for you to partake of it. But we have to learn these hard lessons. I've paid for it. I've lost money in the past, so I've paid for this education. So if you're new, you don't have to pay for it. You learn from people like myself. I'm just one of many people you need to be listening to, learn from my mistakes. But I will tell you, I've showed you guys over the last 2 weeks how I've been making money even as the market falls. but that is nothing compared to what I'm going to make over long-term investing. And that is the easiest thing to do because all you need is a plan. Start with buying the overall stock market, VTI, VOO, and buy some blue chip companies. And when they go down, you start buying. Okay? All right. We're going to leave it right there. Live, love, laugh, and learn.